Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that confuses almost every English learner. This or it. Which one should you use? If you have ever stopped for a second before saying this is cool or it is cool, this video is for you. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly which one to choose. Let's dive in. The choice between this and it depends on one thing. Does your listener know what you're talking about? Use this for new information. You are introducing something for the first time. For example, I want to show you something. This is my new painting. I finished it yesterday. You are presenting your artwork to someone who hasn't seen it before. You are introducing new information, a new piece of art. We use it for old information. You are talking about something that was already mentioned. For example, look at this photo. It is my favorite. First, you say this photo. You are showing it, pointing at it. It's a new information. Then you say it is my favorite. Now we know which photo, so we use it. Some more examples. Listen to this. I just got a promotion at work. You are introducing surprising news. Your listener didn't know about it before. You are bringing completely new information into the conversation. Look what I found in the attic. This is an old coin from the 18th century. You are showing the coin to your friend for the first time. They had no idea it existed. You are introducing a new object into the conversation. I have a new phone. It is very fast. The phone is introduced in the first sentence. In the second sentence, we replace it with it. I bought a new laptop yesterday. It is very lightweight and powerful. The laptop is introduced in the first sentence. In the second sentence, we replace it with it, because we already know what we are talking about. So, for introduction and new information, we use this. For continuation and old information, we use it. Remember this pattern and you'll be right 90% of the time. Now let's look at the cases when we always use this. Number 1. Pointing at something close to you. This is the most physical case. You can touch it, you can point at it. This is my new bag. Do you like it? Could you pass me this pen? I love this coffee shop. It's so cozy. When you present someone for the first time, you always use this. Mom, this is my friend Tom. Everyone, this is our new colleague Sarah. When you call someone and introduce yourself, use this. Hi, this is Maria. I'm calling about the meeting. Hello, this is David from the IT department. I'm calling about your computer issue. This is a fixed formula for phone conversations. When you talk about everything that just happened, use this. We missed the last bus. This is a disaster. You told me about your trip. This sounds amazing. I forgot to set my alarm clock and woke up 2 hours late. This is not a good start to the week. You are not talking about waking up. You are talking about the whole situation, forgetting the alarm, waking up late, and everything that came with it. All of that is this. My boss just gave me a promotion and a raise. This is the best news I've heard all year. You are not talking about the promotion alone or the raise alone. You are talking about the entire event. The whole situation is this. In these cases, this means everything I just said or the whole situation. Now let's talk about it. We use it when the thing is already known. We use it to replace a noun that was already mentioned. This is the most common use. I bought a new car. It is red. She sent me a long email. It was boring. We found a kitten in the park. It was hungry. In all these examples, the object is introduced in the first sentence. The second sentence just replaces it with it. In English, every sentence needs a subject. When there is no real subject, we use it, especially when we are talking about weather, time or distance. It is raining outside. It is 5 o'clock. It is 10 kilometers to the beach. Here, it doesn't mean anything. It's just a grammatical filler to make the sentence correct. When you just state a fact without emotions, use it. It is cold today, just a fact. It is Monday tomorrow, just a fact. Compare this with this. This weather is terrible. You're pointing at it, emotional. It is rainy today, just a fact, neutral. See the difference? This is emotional, personal, specific. It is neutral, formal, general. Now, let's look at two sentences that seem similar but are different. We visited Paris last summer. This was our best trip ever. Why this, not it? Because you are not just talking about the word trip. You are talking about the whole experience, all the memories, the emotions, everything. But grammatically, you can say, we visited Paris last summer. It was our best trip ever. It's not wrong, but it sounds more neutral, like you are just stating a fact. Both are grammatically correct, but native speakers usually say this when they are excited or emotional about something. Now, let me show you two classic mistakes. Mistake number one, using it when pointing. Look at it photo. Look at this photo. If you are pointing at something, use this always. Mistake number two, using this without a clear reference. I love my job. This is interesting. What is this? I love my job. It is interesting. Correct. It replaces job. If you have already named the thing, use it. Remember, English needs a subject in every sentence. When there is no real subject, use it. Now let's practice. Look at this photo. It is my favorite. This you're pointing. It replaces photo. Hi, this is Maria. I'm calling about the meeting. This standard phone introduction. I bought a new laptop. It is very light. It replaces laptop, already mentioned. Mom, this is my girlfriend, Lisa, introducing a person for the first time. We missed the last bus. This is a disaster, summarizing the whole situation. Can you pass me this salt? Thanks, pointing at a specific object. Don't go outside, it is freezing today. Formal subject for weather. You have been working all day. This isn't healthy, summarizing the whole situation. It is already midnight, we should go to bed. Formal subject for time. I found an old letter in the attic. It was written in 1990. It replaces letter, already mentioned. Let's put everything in one simple table. The only question you need to ask yourself: does my listener already know what I'm talking about? If no, use this. If yes, use it. It's really that simple. That's it for today. I hope this lesson helped you understand the difference between this and it. Just remember, this points and introduces, it replaces and repeats. Practice using them in your daily conversations and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments what's the most confusing topic for you in English. See you in the next video. Bye bye!